We have another 4,000 case tally per day, which really sets off the alarm bells here in Germany. 4,122 were the Tuesday numbers, 13 dead. And just a week ago, we went from just over 2,000 infections a day being reported to 4,000, which caused the federal health minister and the man who's sort of leading the fight against the coronavirus to hold a joint news conference to warn of a dangerous jump forward and an unstoppable situation where we could hit 10,000 cases a day, which would lead to a doubling of the total number of coronavirus cases in Germany in the space of a month. There have been new measures as a result of this jump in the number of cases. In Germany, in Berlin, for instance, shops have to close at 11 p.m. Restaurants and bars are closed. There's a curfew. You can no longer buy alcohol in gas stations because the local politicians have said it's clear that when people have had 2 or 3 glasses of wine, the rules sort of go out the window. And equally, there has been a decision between the regional premiers to not allow people coming from hotspot regions to spend overnight, to spend the night in hotels in other regions. However, there has been some difficulty in getting this actually applied.
So what's next then, Nick?
Well, just to come back to, the regional ban, the idea, the regional governors are being summoned to Berlin by Angela Merkel for the first time in 7 months. They're not going to do a video conference, and there's every indication she's going to read the Riot Act to them and to make sure that this decision is applied and that other decisions are taken. The regional leader of Bavaria, Markus Söder, has really been taking the lead in many respects and has actually seen a growth in his popularity as a consequence for his hardline approach. He has said there should possibly be a nationwide rule that people have to wear masks, which he said are a sign of freedom. There are other regional premiers, however, who have been reluctant to apply, I think, this ban on overnight stays, and I think Angela Merkel, we can expect, will try to get them all their ducks in a row and to get them to agree on common measures. Once again, the Premier of Bavaria warning that it might be impossible to celebrate Christmas here in Germany, which is a big event where people come to Christmas markets and gather in large numbers, unless more drastic measures are taken.